Namaskar. Today I will speak on the topic mathematics in Baudhayana Shulba Sutras. Sanskrit is a rich language by its literature. Sanskrit literature is classified into two main parts, Vedic literature and Lokic literature. Vedas are gems of Indian culture. Vedas are considered as ancient literature of world. Vedas are sources of knowledge because everything is depicted in Vedas like science, mathematics, political science, economics, history, social sciences, etc. There are four Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Sam Veda, and Atharvaveda. To study and preservation of the Vedas, Vedangas play an important role in maintaining the purity and integrity of the Vedic tradition. They are six in number: phonetics, shiksha, ritual, kalpa, grammar, Vyakarana, etymology, nirukta, metrics, chanda, and astronomy, Jyotisha. Shiksha deals with the study of sounds and pronunciation with each syllable. Ritual deals with sacrifices with great detail of dimensions and designs of the Vedic altars. Vyakarana deals with the study of word and sentence structures. Nirukta deals with the meaning of complex words and phrases. Chanda deals with mastery of rima and meter. Jyotisha deals with the study of astronomy and astrology. Among these Vedangas, Kalpasutras related to the process of performing rituals mainly covers the chief portion of Brahmar Granthas. Kalpasutras deal with organization of the rituals, the chief portion of the Brahmar Granthas. These texts, earliest of which are dated prior to 800 BCE, form a part of much larger corpus known as a Kalpa Sutra. On the behalf of the subject matter, Kalpa Sutras are further divided into four parts: Shrauta Sutras, Grihya Sutras, Dharma Sutras, and Shulba Sutras. Shrauta Sutras deal with rituals which are given in Shruti sacrificial fires for the fire sacrifice Agnihotra, the new and full moon, the Soma, and other sacrifices. Grihya Sutras deal with rituals related to household, birth, name giving, marriage sacraments, ceremonies, etc. Dharma Sutras deal with duties and general code of conduct. Shulba Sutras is specifically concerned with rules for the measurements and constructions of various sacrificial fires and altars. Baudhayan has also discussed in his sutras to construct different types of sacrificial grounds and fire altars such as Shenchiti, Kankachita, Alajita, Praugachita, etc. In this way, a very systematic and logical arrangement of bricks in the construction of these fire altars given in Baudhayan Sutras. This type of Researchers would inspire scholars to find the roots of Indian mathematics in Vedic tradition, whether it may be Vedas and Brahmar Granthas and Vedangas. While there is a great interest among Indian scholars as well as Western scholars regarding Vedic mathematics, this type of study will give a new direction for doing research in this field. By these type of researches, contribution of Vedic scholars in development of mathematics would become into light globally. Thank you.